Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn literature and social justice together, step by step. Literature can be both a mirror and a hammer. As a mirror, it shows a society its honest reflection, flaws and all. As a hammer, it pushes readers to act, by placing us inside the life of someone silenced or unseen. A story builds empathy that statistics never could. When you walk in another person's shoes for 200 pages, injustice stops being abstract. Writers persuade with three classic tools. Pathos appeals to your emotions, ethos to trust and character, logos to logic and evidence. On top of that, point of view decides whose eyes you see through, and that choice quietly shapes your sympathy. A social justice story isn't just told, it's argued. Spot these tools, and you'll see exactly how the author is trying to move you. Look at pathos in motion. A child waits at a window each evening for a parent who was taken away and never came home. There's no lecture, just one small, concrete image, yet it floods you with the family's loss. That's the power of pathos. A precise detail makes a vast injustice personal. Writers know our hearts move before our minds, and they aim straight for it. Point of view is itself an argument. Take one event and tell it twice. An official says order was restored. A family says their home was destroyed. Same facts, opposite feelings. By choosing whose viewpoint we inhabit, the author shapes our judgment before we even realize it. So always ask, whose eyes am I borrowing and whose are being left out of the frame? To read for justice, hold four ideas close. 1. See literature as both a mirror and a hammer. 2. Spot the persuasive tools of pathos, ethos, and logos. 3. Ask whose point of view you're following and who's left out. 4. Notice the empathy the story is building in you. With these, you'll read not just for the plot, but for the change a writer hopes to spark. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.